Ki Nongtrei Jong ka midday meal na Jaintia Hills District hapo kalama jong All Jaintia Midday Meal Workers Association ki laploy ke jeki hagasining kaunja katayo hakmat ke additional secretariat. Unong ay buat jong kanika seng ubaki el pariat ulai thu bakanika seng kalabu e kijing dawa jong ki akpat menteri rang ba ke jalau konrat ki sangma ban Pynkiew ya Tulop Jong ki na kador shi spating ka shi banai chaka khandai spating ka.
We had give a representation to the Chief Minister since 3rd June 2019. Until date till 11th of August 2022, it's come 6 reminder we have given to him. Our main demand is to enhance the honorarium for the cook cum helper. And the honorarium for cook cum helper for this, they paid now 100 rupees per month. So we demand to government enhance it to 900 per month. So that will come from the state share. And regarding from the union government share, it's come 900. So that will be differently. But from the state government, we demand it, that enhance it. Second is to include December and January, because December also the government has paid the honorarium. We demand to include it because of December we prepare for the Christmas, and January we need money to buy books, uniform for our children. Another demand from the government that we want to protect the Mother Earth. They encourage the students to plant more trees, but we as a cook, we prepare food with the wood and the charcoal. So now we demand that provide us LPG in every kitchen of the PM portion or midday meal scheme.